Okay, now Barcelona 0-3 Bayern Munich. This one, no, reach the eight where some people be the reason say go reach eight again today. And we get Oga Jaydee here, make him come tell us about how he see the game. Oga Jaydee, this one are one of the star match for this Tuesday fixtures for the Champions League. How you see the game, Oga Jaydee?
When the game sweet my belly. I mean, like you talk, say we don't see riches, but we supposed to see riches. The only reason why I feel say we don't even see riches now be say Barcelona play five defenders. If Coman not take care, that's if I don't reach 8 or 11. That's what I see. A very good game in all.
Not be lie, not be lie. Good game, interesting game. Three goals, we say the game they entertaining and attacking football day for inside the game. So, but we know say Barcelona cannot remain the same because Lionel Messi don't go. So, but how you see this Barcelona team and how much work you think say they need to do to get back a little bit back to the Barcelona where we know before?
I mean, basically the first half, he did very Bayern control the game first half. They can't even dominate them more for second half. But what thing I really understand and I really like about the game is when Koeman started to make those young boy substitutions, when they bring that Balde guy and the rest, the
Hmm.
game changed, man. They did more leader with Coutinho too. Self, the guy haven't quite impressed me one kind. So to me, with strengthening, I don't really think say Barca really needs so much strengthening because who would they market where they want to afford with all their financial fair play, and also their players they get players they just need to find the right mix. As far as Messi don't go, one or two players need to step up, but continue play well this game, even though he not too still long, but he play well to my opinion.
Okay, now no be lie. Make we talk about the Bayern Munich team. Robert Lewandowski. Now one person will be like saying score goal, tire last season. This season again, we are in when he stop and don't continue again. Two goals for the first Champions League match again today. Wait till you get to talk about Robert Lewandowski performance for this match.
I go there a little bit biased because I like Lewandowski, but I go still talk some sort truths. The guy he do well.
Mm.
He do well. He scored two goals, but throughout the game, the guy did like he be like say no one day the match. Now those not tapping. So if Ronaldo do those score those kind of two goals where he score, trust me, we not go hear what do. Everybody go they call say not tapping, but he did all right.
Yes.
Scored the two goals, but if now another player scored that two goals like Ronaldo, everybody goes not tapping. But throughout the game overall, if I want to rate Lewandowski with the two goals and everything he scored, I'm not gonna give him past 7 over 10.
Okay. So, but this Bayern Munich team, their start so far, we know so this Champions League, the way it is starts, they
Mm-hmm.
determine how the group will go for you sometimes in some cases. So, but this Bayern Munich team, we don't see they face good, strong opponents, even though say Barca not be the Barca when we know before, but now still top class team. What team you think say we would expect from Bayern Munich for this season for the Champions League?
Waiting I expect. There's always room for improvement. And that's what Niger politicians they talk about. There's always room for improvement. And but their defense with that Upamecano guy, that guy, to me, a man of match for Bayern. That guy saved them a lot, and he just they stop all the backer counter and everything. The guy was so they took
Yes.
the only thing they're gonna need strengthening at that Pavard wing. To me, the guy not to
Yes.
improve. Pavard and Sane make them not to they play Sane like that. I prefer this French boy, what's in the name against we coming as substitution.
Kingsley Coman.
Coman, Kingsley Coman, here I prefer that one well because Sane gets so many chances where if he did very aggressive or he did very hungry for don't score. He
Okay.
knows show any hunger. Then another person will surprise me now that Musaila. That guy,
Musela, that
that
guy
guy,
na talent too.
that talent.
Na
He did
talent. He
dribble
good.
and
He
he
good.
good. He good with the way they play. Say everybody just they come back from vacation, they don't play a few matches and everything. Then show say yes, they are ready, but the hunger never too plenty. But Bayern, their hunger they increase as they go.
No be lie. Okay, now make we go the player rating now. Oga JD. Make we start with the Barcelona side. Now what you go rate the Stegen?
Overall, it come game, I go rate them around like 6.56. 6.56.
6.5.
Yeah,
Okay. Then
6.5.
what about Arajo?
Ah, that guy I go give him 8. He literally pocket Sunny. He pocket that Sunny. If not be saying that last, I think it's the second goal where Lewandowski score, he bounced off
Mm.
and but he pocket Sunny well.
Okay, now what about Gerard Piqué?
PK, I go give him 6, 7. Six today okay for PK. He no too
Okay.
perform that much.
Eric Garcia, uncle.
I go give him 5. It be like say he no did the game. That Marcela use him to he play him and Jordi Alba. That Marcela guy
Mm,
he use them play too much.
okay. Roberto, uncle. Sergi Roberto.
So but the Roberto won't play game. I don't say he play, but give or take, I will give him
You know,
6. Make it
you know,
make
be
it
like
in
we did
there.
the match.
Yeah.
Frank De Jong. What do you
Frank
go
De
give
Jong,
him?
he ball, he control midfield. I go give him 7. He control
Okay.
midfield.
What about Sergio Busquets?
Since they come out second half, 7 still. He no play best form, sha.
Then what about Pedri? What about Pedri? How you rating performance for today game?
Overall, Pedri, I no go lie you, I no really see what that guy do for the game. But overall, I go give him 6. Up for the midfield and where they put him, he no really to create chances or anything because that to create chances, and I don't see him really create any chances like that. Or maybe Bayern just too good.
Okay. Then what about Jordi Alba? You talk say Musiala use and play well.
Five.
Waiting you go give him for rating.
I go leave him at 5. I know say to play football no easy, sha, but I go leave him at 5. Now professional, they pay him plenty money.
Okay. Luke De Jong, uncle.
He play game.
Indeed.
That one I go give him like let's say 5-2, 5-6. He not really to do much. He was him and Depay. But as far as Depay a star player, I go just leave him with 6. But look, the young
Okay,
5.
you leave the play with 6. All right,
Yeah.
make we go to substitute. Pablo Gavira, the one they use substitute Sergio Busquets. What you go give him?
I go leave him as 5. He know to make
5.
any good. I not really
What
see
about
any.
Yusuf Demia, the player where they use substitute Roberto?
Sergio Roberto. I go give him
Mm,
6.
6. What
Yeah.
about Oscar Mingueza?
I don't see him for game. I don't know. I don't know where to they play. Honestly, I don't feel rate that one.
Okay, what about Philippe Coutinho and Balde?
Philip Continue and Balde, I go give them 7 each. Therefore, actually start with those two guys. They continue change that game and immediately it starts. Maybe now I say
Okay.
you don't get Bayern this in overview. And Balde too, he still play good football. As the two of them enter, the game start to they start to the attack more.
All right, I no be like make we touch the Bayern side real quick. What you go rate Manuel Neuer?
No, yeah, 4. He not get anything to do for the match. Not be
You
say the
don't get
4 and
anything to worry. Okay, now what about Pavard?
Pavard 6. You know, he gets one chance where you go give play back pass. We not too good, but overall he do all right.
Okay, what about Upamecano?
Man of match for me. I go every time 8.5, 8.59. Very
8.59. Okay, what about Sule?
7. He was just there to help. 7. He not to do much.
Davis, Uncle Alfonso Davis.
Davis 8. No, Davis creates so much attacking opportunities for the whole Bayern. 8. Very good.
Joshua Kimmich.
I go give it Kimmich 7. He,
Goretzka.
Goretzka 7 too. 7.
Okay, then what about Leroy Sané?
Leroy Sané, I go give him 6. He no hungry. The guy not too hungry anymore.
Okay. Thomas Muller, Uncle.
7. Say Namula.
Musila.
Musela, I go give him 7 still. He
Okay.
helped create a lot of chances, but they no score from him.
Robert Lewandowski.
6, nothing more than 6. Now just 2 goals he score. Without those 2 goals, he don't play anything for that match.
But I work with that now as a striker, put the ball for the back of the
Now
net.
it work, but I agree with you. But if now Ronaldo they put for that position, we score those kinds of goals. You know, waiting everybody
Mm.
talk and tapping, tapping, tapping. But it shall now tapping to do tapping no easy. You guys they position properly.
Yes, it takes
That
quality
position,
for you to get enter that position to fit
yeah,
up the ball
yeah.
in.
Yes. But overall, to me, the guy no really, he no really, he no play in full game as he's supposed to play, in my opinion.
All right, now, no be like. What about Lucas Hernandez? Now, would they go to substitute now? Lucas
Lucas
Hernandez, Serge
Hernandez.
Gnabry.
Yeah, Lucas Hernandez, I go give him 6. Serge Gnabry 6 too. Serge, he makes some kind of good runs, but he no fit really finish him up. He's supposed to even start, but I think say he get back injury.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
now make we touch the other substitute. Now they know to play. They know to play long time. Sha. I think now 82 minutes they put Marcel Sabitzer,
Uh-huh.
um, Stanisic, and Kingsley Coman.
So
Those
all of
ones they
them,
get rating.
I go give all of them five. Service, I get one very clear cut chance, but it's lack of composure.
Okay.
Nine no play and well, but the rest, Coleman, you don't really do anything for match due to saying only like 8 minutes in play. And the other thing, Joseph, you not to really do much for match, in my opinion.
All right now. So, but I want to ask you, with the way Barcelona they start this their first match against Bayern, you dey see Barcelona. How far you dey see Barcelona to go for this Champions League?
Omo, that one between them and God, but I feel say those they are young boys. If they play them with Coutinho, they go impress because man, Coutinho was lovely. He was lovely in that game, making all those back flips, crazy nice passes and everything.
Mhm.
But I don't know how Coleman they did because Coleman all usually like to get rift with players. So if he play Coutinho, in my opinion, and more of Coutinho and for creativity, they could go far. Quite all right. They feel reach quarterfinals or round of 16.
All right, now, no be lie. Thank you for your time, Oga Jaydee. As you come talk about this Barcelona Bayern game,
Thank you.
you too much. We hope say more better like this, more better games like this will come out this season. We'll be like, say we could enjoy. You too much, Oga Jaydee. Thank you for
Thank
your
you,
time.
Marvin. Okay,
All
bye
right,
bye.
bye bye. Yeah.